Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning program organized by Modern English School, Navata. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to start factors and multiples. We are going to discuss some problem of exercise 13. So in exercise 13, see question number 1. This is our lecture number 12. Okay, and we are going to see question number 1 of A. Question number 1 is saying we have to find there are two numbers 11 and A11. We have to find all the factors of it and tell whether this number is prime or composite. So we know that for a prime number we have only two factors, 1 and itself. So how many factors of 11? The factors of all the factors of 11 are 1 and 11. So every number which has only two factors, 1 and itself, then definitely it is a prime number. Now let us take another example. B. 32. What are all the factors of 32? 1, 2, 3, no, 4, 5, no, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 30. So it has more than two factors. So any number which has more than two factors, then it is a composite number. In this way you can solve it. Now let's see question number 2. In question number 2, what we have to do? We have to construct a factor tree. Factor tree of 60. How we can make? We know that 6 times the 60. Okay. 6 times the 60. So 6 multiplied by 10 is 60. And we know that 2 3s are 2 multiplied by 3. Okay. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. Okay. Or you can leave it. Don't multiply. Okay. Just you know that 6 tens are, if you multiply 6 and 10, we will get 60. And again, if you multiply 2 and 3 together, we will get 6. 2 and 5, we will get 10. So this is factor tree. Okay. Once you get in the base of this tree, you get if every number is a prime number, then you leave it. Don't go further. You have to stop this construction. Okay. So this is our factor tree. In this way you make. Now, in question number 3, see in question number 3, we have to make the prime factor. We have to find the factor of 150 using by prime factorization. So what is the prime factorization? Divide it by 2, 75, 3, 25, 5, 25. So by prime factorization method, method 150 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 5 into 5. Or we can also write it 150 equals 2 into 3 into 5 square. Okay. In this way, you will find all the factors. So besides it, 1 and 150 will also be the factor of 150. Besides, so what are all the factors of 150? 1, 2, 3, 5. and 150. 5 will be the factor, and also there will be many factors. 5 times 25 will be the factor. So there can be many factors. But if we have to find the prime factor, what are the prime factors of 1? So 2, 3, 5 are the prime factors of. Yes. In this way you can write it. Now question number 4a. 4a. We have to find all the factors of 15 and 35. We have to find all the factors of 15 and 35 and hence find the HCF. We have to find all the common factors. Common factors of 15 and 35 and hence find the HCF. Then first of all list all the factors of 15. What are all the factors? 1, 3, 5 and 15. These are all the factors of 15. What are all the factors of 35? 1, 7, 5 and 35. So what are all the common factors? So the common factors is this 1 and this 5 are the common factors. Common factors are 1 and 5. So out of these two common factors, which is highest? So we have to find the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So out of these two common factors, which is highest? So 5 is highest. So 5 will be the HCF of this. Okay, in this way you will solve question number 4. Now see question number 5. Now see question number 5. 5 part A. We have to find 36 and 60. Okay, we have to find the HCF of 36 and 60 by prime factorization method. First of all, find the prime factors of 36 and find the prime factors of 60. 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3, 2, 30, 2, 15 times 3, 5 times. So what are all the prime factors of 36? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And what are all the prime factors of 60? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. So now the HCF will be, what are all the common factors? So here 2 is common, again 2 is common, again 3 is common. So out of these two, 1, 2 will be selected. Out of these 2, 1, 2 will be selected. Out of these 3, 1, 3 will be selected and multiply all this together. Then you will get the HCF. 2 to the 4, 3 to 12. So 12 will be the HCF of this. In this way, you will find the HCF of these two by prime factorization method. Okay. Prime HCF by prime factorization method. Okay. So today you will solve, your homework will be exercise 13, 1 to 5. Okay. Okay, students, you have to solve exercise 13, 1 to 5. Okay, students, thanks for watching the video.